This is the Gladiator bomb shot, okay? Is this actually based on the movie Gladiator with Joaquin Phoenix and Russell Crowe? I don't know. Okay, Amaretto, okay? Southern Comfort, that was a dope movie though. All right, come behind with some lemon lime soda in our glass, okay? And then we follow that lemon lime soda up with a little bit of orange juice. Listen, when you're putting stuff in the base of the glass, guys, you just put in enough liquid to break the fall so that the glass doesn't crack. You understand? That's what you're doing there, okay? So there's the Gladiator shot. I don't know why she's feeling up my arms. Okay, but they are muscular. Probably can't help it. All right? Anyway, so listen, we got tons of bomb style shots like this on the website, so definitely come through tipsybartender.com and check us out, okay? I'm just trying to show this Russian girl how to do a drink, okay? She left half, okay? That's not the way you do a shot, all right? She's trying to get me to drink the glass too, okay? That's definitely, maybe she's trying to kill me. Anyway, stay tipsy, friends, stay tipsy.